Good morning, children. Close your eyes. Let us thank God that we are safe and continue to pray that the scientists invent effective medicine for COVID-19 and the world become as usual or normal. Last class we have seen introduction about Java and we learned the introduction to Bluej and its features. Bluej is a object-oriented program. Now, in this class, we are going to learn what is an object and class, how these are related to a Bluej program. Objects are real world entities or items. It can be either non-living entities such as pen, book, table, car, chair, scooter, calculator, phone and computer and such things. So everything you can see in the world are objects like table, fan, statue, laptop, mouse, book, pen, everything. And some are living things, living object, living entities like cat, dog, human beings, plants, trees. Okay, everything we call object in Java. Now take a small example of pen. A pen as an object has its state. State means such as brand name, one brand name is there. Okay, high tech. And model, this is the high tech V5. And color, this color. And there is a price for 30 rupees. All features make the state of a pen. And there is a function for this pen. What is the function or behavior? We can write. So object have two things. One is state. That means the brand name, model, color, price, etc. and all. And there is a function for the pen. What is the function? Writing. And of course you have one more function with the pen. What is that? Fighting. Is it? Pen fight? Okay, that is another function or behavior of that object. If you take the example of a laptop, you can see this is a laptop. We say what is the state of laptop? Laptop is in black in color. It is a 14-inch display is there. HD camera is there, another object, and keys. Okay, keys. ABCD, all the keys, shift key, caps lock key, tab key. These keys are different objects. And mouse pad is another object. And charging cable is another. The operating system is another object. And the software in the laptop is another object. So these all makes object. The laptop is object. What is the function of laptop? You can record, you can watch movie, you can play games in laptop, you can learn, you can search. Okay, there are many functions with the laptop. Class. A class represents a group of objects of the same kind that you have to underline. A class represents a group of objects of same kind. Example, in your class, 8th standard, you know only 8th standard students will sit in that class. Is it? In other words, we can say that the objects are considered as members of class. Example, we will take the class as vehicle. Class as vehicle. In that vehicle, cars are there, bikes, bus, truck, then what else? Auto rickshaw. But the class is vehicle. In that vehicle, will we add pen? No. So in the class vehicle, here it is 4 objects are there. What is that? Car, bike, bus, truck. Suppose if it is an auto rickshaw, train. These all are similar objects that makes class. And you think iron box. Iron box, not iron box. It is not an iron box, it is an iron box. So iron box is another object. Will we add that object in this class vehicle? No. So the similar objects makes a class. And as we discussed about object, there are states for each class and there are functions. In the class we call variables and functions. Variables and functions. What are the variable of this one? Yeah, cars, bike, bus, truck and everything. What is the function? You can travel, you can move one place to another, and you can take the luggages in these vehicles. Okay, so these are the functions. Is it clear? Now, one more point you have to underline. An object belong to a particular class is called instance of the class. So the car is an instance of this class vehicle. Bike is another instance of this class vehicle. Yes, so like that each object in that class is called instance of that class. Now one more point that is subclass. Example, class vehicle, and there are cars, bike, bus, truck. And if there is another class called car, in that car there are Maruti cars, Logan, Renault, which are the different brands are the BMW. That objects make one class car, but the car class is a subclass of vehicle. Then there is another class called bike. There are electric bikes and petrol bikes. Under electric bikes there are many companies, and petrol bikes there are other companies. And that all makes one class, subclass, that is called bike. In that bike class is a subclass of vehicle class. You say laptop is a class. In that class there are many objects like camera, HD camera, display, keys, keyboard, software, operating system. Yes, this all object all together is called class laptop. Now in that class laptop there are 2 subclasses. One is keys, keys, tab key, caps lock key, letters key, numbers key, function keys. Okay, these all keys are different object. The similar object all together is called one class, that is keys. That key is a subclass of a laptop class. Another example, in this laptop there are many softwares. Is it? There are many software like MS Office is there, video editor is there, media player is there, then Active Present is there, YouTube, then Facebook, WhatsApp, all the applications. So these all applications all together we can call a subclass. What is that name of the subclass? Softwares. And software is a subclass of laptop class. Now take page number 62, example 1 and 2. We are going to write the 2 Bluej programs in the software Bluej. Now I open the Bluej software, and what is first step? Create new class. Click on create new class. Now what is the name I am giving here is my name, and click on always class. Okay. Now class is created. Now how we can edit or how we can add the program? So what do you do? Right click, then open editor. Now new window is open. Name you see here, my name. My name. What is standard 8? That is the project. Okay, in the project standard 8, the class name is my name. Here you see. Now there is a sample problems. By default it will be there. Select all and delete. Then you start writing the first example. What is the question? First example, write a program to print your name 4 times in same line. 4 times in a same line. Now you have typed this program. Public class name is name. Okay, or I'll write my name. Okay, my name. Public static void main string. This you have to by heart, this statement. Now we have to learn public class my name, open bracket, public static void main string args, then open bracket. What you will write? System.out.print bracket, double inverted comma, Don Bosco, and use semicolon, that is for execution. Okay, then next, close this bracket. Look here, this bracket, and if you select this bracket, so once you open the bracket, you have to close. This is the program we type. Then how to get the output? You have to compile. After compiling, downside you see there is no error. Then what to do? Yes, minimize and come back this window. Right click on the class and click on void main string. Then okay, see the result. Don Bosco, 4 times in a same line. Got it? Okay, now example, write your program to display name, class, roll number of a student. The same program I am writing with another example. Here I have written Don Bosco 4 times. Now I need Don Bosco one line, another Don Bosco another line. So each word in different line. So what you have to do? Close it. Again, go to the class, right click and open editor. So you have to edit, you have to go like this. Now, what do we have to do? System.out.print. So what I will write here, print ln. Ln means yes, next line. Okay, next line or new line. So what I will do? I will cut here. I'll cut here. Then yes, exactly. You copy and what to do? Enter and paste. Enter, paste, enter and paste. Now, what is the result of this program? We will see. What you have to do? After typing, you have to compile. Okay, after compiling, minimize. Then again right click, void main. Okay, now you see here Don Bosco. Here it comes in first line here. Okay, Don Bosco. Okay, now again I am going to edit. As in the second example, write your name, class and division and all. So what you have to do? Close it, right click, open editor and print ln. I am changing Don Bosco name and what is the class? 8th A. Okay, 8th A. Then what is the place? Chitradurga. Then phone number. Okay, this is my phone number. If I compile, yes, no error at all. Close and right click. Okay, now you see Don Bosco 8th A, CTA and this. So what is the difference of these two example? One is we use ln, another one is we didn't use ln. If you write ln, then it goes to next line, ln, next line. If you didn't write ln, then it will be there in a single line. I will do. Okay, I am deleting all the ln. Now you see what is the result of that. Okay, now I am compiling. There is no println. Okay, only print only. Compile, close, right click. Okay. See here, Don Bosco 8th A CTA. See everything in a single line. So I hope it is clear about the println and getting the output, how to use the Java. Please practice well. Dear children, we are getting a good news every day. Like Russia's COVID vaccine is 90% above is successful, and America's COVID-19 vaccine is coming soon, and even India's COVID vaccine is in the end of this year, it will come out. Good. But dear children, take all the precaution whenever you do a small job itself. Thank you.